What's going on, Pro Cutters? John back with another unboxing and a little bit of a bonus deal. I picked up this Mora basic 511 at Rural King, $9.99. How could you go wrong, right? Swedish made, pretty cool. Anyway, a lot of bushcrafters and whatnot have them. So we've got Mrs. ProCut's old iPad Air, 7-year-old, and of course you know we got her a new one, the Pro 11-inch model. So she's got her case for the new one that came in today. Go ahead and get this opened up and see what it looks like. Now I'm not going to install this on the iPad because Miss ProCut likes to do that herself. I'm just going to show you the case. It is a Zugu Alpha case, the Alpha case, made for iPad Pro 11 2nd Gen. So now that that's open, now we gotta take the wrapper off of it. We'll see what kind of a what this looks like, what she got here. It's got paper wrapped around it as well. It looks pretty damn nice, actually. It's got a leather case. Pretty damn impressive looking. Got a little kickstand that flips up in the back. Interesting. Quite a bit different than the OtterBox. So I'm going to let Miss ProCut put this on her new iPad, and I'll get some still shots of that and put at the end of this video. And then probably in about a week, with her using this new case and the new iPad, hopefully I can convince Mrs. ProCut to do a comparison video of this case versus the OtterBox and her old iPad Air versus the new iPad Pro. So look for that coming up. Thanks for watching another video of mine. I really appreciate all you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what kind of iPad or tablet stuff you guys are running. And, you know, if you've had any issues with any of this stuff, let us know. And we're still looking into that Apple pen to go with the iPad Pro. So I think she's talking about waiting and hoping she sees some kind of Black Friday special on it, because they're $100. A lot of money for just a damn silly little stylus. But of course the Apple one, it pairs to the unit and does a lot more than just a simple stylus. So we'll see. I'm sure she'll end up with it sometime here before Christmas, and we'll be back at that point and let you know how it works. But look forward to a comparison video of these products in about a week. All right. Thanks again. Bless you guys.